Ya sanibona uma ngabe ungayithanda indaba zabantu uyazi ukuthi ufanele wenze njani la iseyindabeni and la siyahleba. Ake sikhulumeke ngo-Amahle from Ingane Zesithembu and what happened kule episode le yokuqala esithole Thursday. By the way, you guys, Ingane Zesithembu season 4 usebuyile ku DStv, uzobudlala ngoLwesithathu nangoLwesine 8 p.m. every week. So make sure that you are there by your couch sitting and waiting for an episode just before 8, okay? And then right after the episode, we have a live here on Facebook bese siba ne live futhi on Reality Buzz TV. Sivele senze i-cross what yabelungu sibuke at the same time. Uyabona, sihleke, sibe shocked ndawonye and all of that. So make sure ukuthi nje 8 o'clock ubuke episode, after episode uthi tune in kwi live yami sikhulume nge-episode. Now ke guys, uAmahle biyela usinike updates lapha yana kwi-episode. Uthe kwi-episode, okay, after last season uye wakhulelwa, after celebrity uye wakhulelwa, and during the pregnancy ubengamfuni uMpumelelo, but uMpumelelo wambekezelela, and then now ke usenengane. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi vele on social media sembonile uMabiyela ukuthi usebelethile, sambona lapha yana kuphuma nezindaba zokuthi ubelethele eEdington Hospital, kwaba indaba enkulu ukuthi how umakoti kaMseleko, the reality TV star in a public hospital, kanjani. Apparently uMpumelelo was like, listen, public hospital or no hospital, okay? So what are you gonna do? And obviously she chose public hospital because she had no choice, allegedly, okay? So now bese updates hake eshoke ukuthi njengamanje shame uqedile esikoleni ufuna umsebenzi. Mayengathola umsebenzi nje izinto zakhe hamba ngendlela. Nansi ke into eyodwa yo guys uAmahle ayishilo engithe yani. Yabona le ngane lezi zidululu about umjolo, I tell you, okay? I am telling you zidululu. uAmahle uthi i-reason yokuthi angamthandi uTirelo ukuthi uTirelo uthanda ukukhuluma. Uthi mina angikuthandi ukukhuluma, and uTirelo akayifuni ipeace, akayithandi ipeace, uyakhuluma. I was like, Amahle, and then wahamba wena wayongena esithenjini awuthanda ukukhuluma, uthanda ipeace kodwa wahamba wayongena esithenjini. If Dululu was a person, are you not watching Uthando Nesithembu ukuthi basazokubiza ngo-delusional? Usazoya kwi-retreat, lapha kwi-retreat bafe bakunika igaxa zakho, uma unengane oyicashisile sisazothola thina ukuthi unengane oyicashisile. Uma ngabe ubusunama-boyfriend awu-5 before uMpumelelo, ngoba siyazi ukuthi ungayena intombi nto, sisazokuthola lokho, usazokubuzwa ngawo, usazogivwa ngakho. Hayibo, usazocela ingane yesibili, uMpumelelo acele yesithathu, acele yesingakho, usazogana. Ukukhuluma kuningi esenye, usazo-accuswa of izinto ongakazi uzisho, ongakaze uze uyibone, ongakazi. Ngiyakutshela kuyakhulunywa esithenjini. So I'm shocked ukuthi umuntu who is self-aware o-understandayo ukuthi uthanda ukuthula, uthanda ipeace, angavele nje angene esithenjini. Not only ukuthi uAmahle ungene esithenjini, ungene esithenjini waphinda wangena kwi-reality show. So basically, girl, you're trying to tell us when you are going to be boring us on the show, because how is it going to work for you to be on reality show but uthanda ukuthula, uthanda ipeace? Na. I imagine, you guys, that anybody that talks is a lot for Amahle, because Amahle hardly ever says anything. Actually, even last season I was saying it's even hard to have a conversation with Amahle because we have my peak. It's okay. Nyagos. Like, girl. So now we want more on the show. On the show we want more. But besides us wanting more on the show, ngeke uzube nokuthula esithenjini, ngeke uzungakhulumi esithenjini. Ungene kanjani lana ufuna ungathanda ukukhuluma futhi ufuna ipeace? Ngoba nje ubuthi uTirelo ukhuluma kakhulu, kuseza abanye abazokhuluma more than uTirelo. Amahle shame. She killed me. Tell me, you guys, kuphosable yini ukuthi ungaba sesithenjini kodwa ungakhulumi ngoba ngisho umayeni used to play uthi futhi uyizonda kabi lokhuzane iCandy Crush ngoba iCandy Crush yamenza ukuthi izinto angayiboni la ukuthi ziyenzeka anakane neCandy Crush. Even naye wazama ukuziba but kwasho ukuthi hayi esithenjini there is no peace esithenjini, there is no silence esithenjini. Ukhuluma ngisho ulele, ukhuluma ngisho emaphusheni esithenjini. Ungene kanjani sis? She killed me, Amahl. Anyways, you guys, tell me in the comment section was it possible ukuthi umuntu abe sesithenjini kodwa angafuni ukukhuluma, like honestly now. Anyway, thank you so much. Goodbye.